Jolly good morning to you. Another episode of Learning by Doing. And today we're at the beach. Hope you can hear me. It's pretty rough out there. We've been anchored at the southern gillies. They're called the secret gillies for about a week now in Lombok. And just around the corner where we're anchored is a really famous surf spot called Banco, or better known as Desert Point. So we saw that there's a big swell coming. It sort of arrived yesterday, and today should be the primo day. So we rented a motorbike and came down here. The track is pretty crazy. Marie had to walk part of it. We couldn't double up it. So yeah, we'll show you some action today. There's quite a few pros here from different parts. A lot of them have come over from Bali. There's a few Brazilians I saw, a couple of Australians, a few Americans. So yeah, we'll show you some of the action. It won't get too gnarly because I haven't got any real good long lenses to shoot this sort of stuff with. And yeah, I crashed my drone yesterday, so I've lost the drone. So yeah, got to shake my head. Lost another drone. Still, it's the only one this year. Last year I lost two, so at least I'm doing better on that front. But yeah, drones. Anyway, enjoy. Well, it's been a pretty long day. We got here at 6:45 in the morning and it's about 5 now maybe. It's been cool though. Long day and in the hot sun, but yeah, I got a few cool shots. I've actually been shooting photos more than video, but I got a couple of good video shots as you've seen. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you later. Good morning everyone. The start of this video is going to be measuring the boat for the new mainsail. So I have made a decision on the mainsail, what I want and who I'm going to get to make it. Now I have to go and measure the boat precisely so I actually get the sail that I want. The thing is, these days you order them online, but you sort of have to do the work yourself. If you get it wrong, they're going to send you a sail that doesn't fit and then it's going to be your fault, sort of thing. Like back in the day, the guy would come down and measure everything and then he would put the sail on, and if it was needed adjustment he would take it off and do it. These days everything's online. It's faster and cheaper, but you can only hold yourself accountable. If you measure it a bit wrong, then your sail's going to be wrong. So we're going to take extra care to make sure this is right. Okay, so the company I've gone for finally to get the sail made is Zoom Sails. It's a guy called Phil, Kiwi guy, lives in Langkawi, and his sails get made in Sri Lanka. He's made sails for friends of mine and they're very happy with them, and he did me a damn good price, to be honest. And another big thing is that I'm in Indonesia and it's notoriously hard to get things shipped to Indonesia. Things get stuck in customs for months here sometimes, and they hold you ransom and you just got to keep paying. And anyway, I've heard nightmare stories about it. And Phil, being based in Langkawi in Malaysia, he's shipped many sails to Indonesia, so he's got his way of doing it, and I trust that, and I don't want to get stuck in Bali waiting for 3 months for a sail to arrive, for example. So that was a big part of my decision. And yeah, he uses the best materials. He's got he's a sailor, he's raced everywhere, he's done everything, and I think he's a real hands-on guy that's going to make me a good sail. So Phil has sent me a bunch of forms and a video, like a how-to video showing how to do this. There's about, I think there's 7 points I have to measure. So I'm going to go through them point by point and show you, because these will apply to any boat. I mean, obviously a ketch will be different, but this is a mainsail on a sloop, and the same measuring points will apply. And I guess once you have them once, then 5 years later when you need a new sail, you can just use the same measurements again. Yeah, I'll go through these point by point, and it's the first time I'm doing this, so I will be taking care to make sure it's right. So yeah, we'll get moving and we'll get stuck into this. Marie's going to help me here. She's going to film a bit and hold the tape measure, and we'll yeah, let's see how it goes. You like my new measuring tool? They only had 5 meter or 100 meter measurements, so I've got the big construction jobby. But anyway, point number 1 is from the back of the mast to the pin, the shackle pin on the clew. So just along the boom, basically. 4.72 meters. The pin on the clew shackle. Okay, measurement number 2 is length of the sail from top to bottom. So we're hooking this tape measure onto the halyard, the mainsail halyard, and we're going to pull it all the way to the top and then measure to the bottom. Okay, number 3 of the measurement list is from the top of the mast to the shackle on the clew. So it's measuring the luff. What do we got? 15 meters, 12 centimeters. Okay, I'll write that down. Okay, step number 4 is from the back of the mast to the pin on the tack shackle when the sail is right up. So I have let's call it 10 centimeters. Number 5 is from the back of the mast to the reefing horns. It's pretty similar to the last one. So we have 6 centimeters. Okay, next point is from the backstay to the clew, to the shackle here. That's to see how much roach they can put into the sail, so it's not just a straight cut. And I have 72 centimeters. So that means because I've got 70 centimeters gap from the backstay to the back of the sail, there's a bit of a distance, so I can actually get some roach built into the sail, and that way have more sail area instead of just having a triangular sail basically. Okay, next point is the slider mechanism. Obviously each sail or each boat has a different one. Okay, next lot of measurements are all about the Batten car system. Obviously, like I said before, each boat has a different one. This is a Ronston system, and I need to measure this one. So number 1 is from the back of the mast to the pin, to this pin here on the head. Okay, next one is back of the mast to the front of the leading edge of the sail at a batten. Next one is from the back of the track to the center of a pin on an intermediate car. That is 1 centimeter.
So now Vern is here. He's taking a picture of the boat sideways to see the bend of the mast.
Raise up the mast, lubing the tackle and the blocks and all the checking the halyards and the rigging. First time up there and she's doing really good.